Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Michelle, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be planning in my, wait for it, Hobonichi. And if you are not subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. So today I have with me a Planner Shack kit. It is a printable. I am very impatient and I don't like waiting and whatever that verse is, and so therefore I like to print my own stickers at home and cut them using my silhouette portrait too. So today I have some oh, there you go ahead and hit that hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. So back to the kit. No, wait, hold on. Whew, that's a lot going on, girl. Either they gonna subscribe or they gonna like it or they ain't gonna like it. I don't think that all that is gonna really help anybody to do anything. But anyway, I have with me some Simply Gilded washi, and so I'm going in and layering that right above the bottom washi. And this is a kit for the Hobonichi, and I have jumped on the bandwagon because that is what I do with my life. I jump on all bandwagons. I want to be a part of the Hobonichi Club, the Simply Gilded Club. Anywhere where there is popular vote, then that is where I need to be. Uh-oh. Small mishap. Well, actually, a few mishaps because we're not doing anything. I bet you, yep, I know what she's doing. She's looking for a sticker or something. Oh, that pen. She was looking for that pen. That happens to me too whenever I'm, anyway, no, that's not a pen. Ooh, that's actually some fancy tweezers. Wow. Very fancy. Anyway, I'm going ahead and labeling or putting down my date dots, and this is going to be for the week of June the 10th through the 16th, and I am going on a girls trip this weekend to Atlanta, Georgia, and I can't wait to see Shay because that's who I'm going to see. So the kit comes with 3 pages, and I'm showing you this even though I've already used some of the stickers on the spread, but I figured I would go ahead and backtrack and show you what comes with the kit for those for inquiring minds. So anywho, whew, I'm already 2 minutes in, y'all, and I'm struggling. But you guys love these, and we love doing them, even though they are so much work. They take us days to do to get the video and then do the audio for it and then send it back and then upload. It's just a whole lot. So, I mean, it's uploading a video twice. But anyway, you guys love these. So back to the video. So I can already go ahead and tell you her plan. So I can bet you that on Tuesday she has kickboxing from 7 to 8 Central Time, and then Wednesday choir rehearsal, and then Thursday she's going to need to prepare for traveling to Atlanta, and then Friday she will be traveling to Atlanta. But on Thursday she'll probably get her, let me see if she got a fill-in lately. Let me see. I don't know if she's due a fill-in, so there either will be a fill-in on Thursday or there won't be. But anyway, going back to Monday, I have put down, I'm going back from I to she, but that's just how we're going to work this thing out because I don't know, it's confusing and whatever. So Monday, a checklist, a heart checklist, and then one of the full boxes, which is technically a deco box or a decorative box. And then I'm going in with some bits, and those bits look like they're bit travels. A bit travels. Bit is traveling. The bit travels for Friday, and then the bit is traveling solo, I think, on Sunday, and then it looks like the bit is sleeping on, no, I don't know what the bit is doing on Wednesday. Is she sleeping? Kind of looks like she's wrapped in a cocoon. This looks really small on my screen, for real. She looks like she's wrapped in a cocoon, maybe. Ooh, is that, hold on, time out. This is an artsy kit, I think. Wait, no, it's not, because I see a baseball. Don't y'all see that baseball jersey? The Dodgers jersey over there on the right. But doesn't that look like makeup and paint swatches at the bottom? I don't know what it is. But anyway, back to the video. So, as you guys know, I'm on my self-discovery, self-love journey. I've learned so much about myself. I've kicked out everybody who lived with me outside of Bubba. Bubba Bear is still living with me because Bubba Bear is my son, so Bubba Bear has to live with me. But outside of Bubba Bear, I have been on a self-discovery, self-love journey, and I've been out thoughting in the streets. I know y'all saw my Snapchat with Octavia the other day, where I was out at a club listening to music and busting it down, Tatiana. So that's a part of my self-love, self-discovery journey, because I'm just getting to know myself, making sure my knees are still good and I can still drop it like it's hot, like I once did back in college. So that was, that's a thing that's going on in my life right now. But other than that, I'm just getting new bits designed each and every day, new bits coming in, bit coming in from the left, bit coming in from the right, bit just coming from all sides, and really trying to focus on my Etsy shop and my job and my YouTube channel. But bit is all. I'm here for this. Pause. This is Shay. I'm here for this because I love the fact that she's using her own stickers, because she rarely does, which I've always thought was weird. And now she's using them a little bit more. So I love Bit. You guys remember when we were trying to help her to name Bit? And well, I call her Bit, like B-I-H, but I don't think that's her name. I think she's a Bit, but I call her a Bit. Okay, I think Bit is washing clothes on Thursday. That has to be like a laundry bit. You guys, is that or is that not a jersey on Wednesday? And then you have paint swatches on the bottom washi, like makeup swatches. And then you have a little makeup palette on Tuesday in that deco box. I promise you. I don't know what vibe this kid is, actually. Ooh! There at the bottom on Sunday, there is a girl and a boy. So I'm taking that to, like, in my heart of hearts, I believe that Michelle may be going out on a date, because that's a part of the self-love discovery journey, is going out and meeting new people to bust it down for meeting new men. So I feel like that's a part of the self-love journey, but I could be wrong. But let's see, what does that say over there? This is really small on my computer. I'm not making up stuff. I really do. Of the week, next week, this week. That might say this week. This is so cute, though. I love this Hobonichi. But just a pro tip, if you lay your washi down straight like she did at the top, then your pages will remain flat. But if you lay them down like kind of crooked and you don't, it's a strategy to it. So you just have to lay your washi down perfectly, basically. And if you do that, then your pages won't lift. So that's why a lot of people's pages lift, because they don't lay their washi down correctly, which, I mean, there's no real right or wrong way to lay down washi. I'm just saying that's typically why pages lift, because I just want to take this as a teachable moment. But I'm really loving the right side of this kid. And I'm waiting for the plans. Saturday, she's relaxing. We are going to be doing that. Friday, she does have to take off work because she will be arriving in Atlanta quite early. And then that one says next week, this week, and next week. Let's see if my plans were right. I already know what she's going to be doing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Ooh, is that? See? That says Netflix and chill. And then there's a girl and a boy. So, I mean, we're all adults here, so we know what that really means. There's a girl and a boy on a bench, and then that says Netflix and chill. Okay, so I cannot see this. Camp week, yeah. Bubba Bear has camp this week, and I can't see. Mail something. Vendor email, leave, love. Oh, that's where they went. They went to the Love Club in Memphis, Tennessee. They went there from 6 to 9 with Tay. Then she uploaded, today's Tuesday, so she upload swag requests for Planning a Better Me. If you have not purchased your tickets for Planning a Better Me, then make sure that you do so. There are a few tickets still available. We're technically sold out, but we have opened up a few other slots for other people. So if you have not purchased your ticket, head on over to planningabettermeretreat.com and purchase the ticket. And then she has to ship orders and stuff, check the post office, and Bubba Video. I'm really struggling. So therefore, I'm just going to go ahead and end this video because I really can't see this. ATL. Anyway, okay, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Actually, I'm back because I did not end this thing correctly. So in true E. Michelle fashion, KK. Wait. Mwah. KK. Bye.